Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. So today I am back with another video, and this time we're going to be doing something really simple yet really cute. So of course the first thing that I'm doing is going in with the Madam Glam gel polish in the color Perfect White. And I do have a promo code for them, so I'll be sure to leave that down below in the description for you guys. And again, we're just going to do 2 coats on each nail and just curing each coat for 30 seconds in between. And then after that, we're going to move on to the next part. Remember that when you're polishing nails, that you want to make sure that you always cap the free edges. And then of course clean around the cuticle area if you happen to get any polish on the skin, and be sure to wipe around the cuticle area before you cure the nail into the light. So again, 2 coats and then curing 30 seconds in between. Alrighty, so after the 2 coats, I'm going to go in with 2 different purples. One's a little bit lighter than the other, and I'm just going to go in and just do both of the colors on the nail over the white. And as you can see, some are going to be like little triangles, others rectangles. So it's just going to be randomly on the nail. But again, we're going to do the 2 colors on each nail. As you can see, this one is a lot lighter than the other one, and as you can see, I do have the names of the gel polishes here on the screen. Again, I do have a promo code for Madam Glam, so I'll be sure to leave that down below for you guys. And the little small nail art brush that I'm using is one of the nail art brushes that I had on my website, which is currently down for restocking, but I'll be sure to let you guys know once it's back up and running. So be sure to follow me on Instagram for that, which is getnailed32. Alrighty, so once I finish doing all the random shapes on the nails, we're going to move on to the marble. So we're going to do the marble on the white part. I could have done it like, while the nails were all white, but I just did it, in between the purple. So I'm just going in and drawing random black lines, and then I dip my brush into a little bit of acetone to where it's damp but not soaking wet, and then I just go in and gently dab the black around the nail, just spreading it out. And then afterwards I'm gonna come back in and just kind of redraw those lines, but just really gently, to where you don't apply too much polish on the nail, just kind of just going in there and barely even retracing them, if that makes sense. Remember that marble is never going to be the same, so again, just dab the polish with your little brush, make it spread out until it kind of looks how you want it to look. So of course, since this is gel polish, we're gonna have to cure this for 30 seconds as well. But as you can see here, I'm just redrawing the lines, and then you can just go back in and just dab them as well. But this time we don't want the polish to spread out throughout the entire nail, just right there where we applied that last line. Alrighty, so after we finish with the marble, we're going to go in with that same black, which is the Perfect Black, also by Madam Glam, and I'm using that same brush. And we're just going to outline the different shapes in the black, and then also I'm going to do some random lines with the same gel polish and brush as well. Remember that when you're doing the lines, you want to make sure that you have a really steady hand, and just be careful when you're doing this. That way the nails are really nice and straight. But this is not meant to be perfect. It's more of like abstract art, so it's just kind of random on the nail. But I definitely really like this design. It's really different and neat as well. So I'm gonna go ahead and finish this off. Again, all of these gel polishes that I'm using are by Madam Glam, so I'll leave that information down below. And then once I'm done doing this, I'm gonna cure this hand for 30 seconds, and then I'm gonna do the same thing on the other hand, or similar, because it's not gonna be exactly the same. So as you can see, each nail is different, and then the other hand is gonna be different as well. Alrighty, so same thing for the other hand. We're going to go ahead and do the marble. Once we're done with the marble, we're going to go in and outline the shapes in black, and then just doing random black lines as well. And then after that, we're going to cure this hand for 30 seconds, and then we're going to move on to the top coat. Alrighty, so now I'm just going in with the Madam Glam Gel Top Coat. We're going to apply that on all of the nails. And then as always, I cure my top coat for 60 seconds. Alrighty, so lastly, I'm just going in and just gently massaging this cuticle oil on her cuticles. And here is the final look. As you can see, they turned out really, really pretty. Again, they're really different yet super, super cute. So as always, I hope you guys enjoyed. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Follow me on Instagram and Twitter at GetNail32, and I will see you guys next time.